Hey everybody, and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to show you how to copy your site here on Squarespace. Let's begin. Now, the first thing that you need to do is to log in using your credentials. If this is your first time on Squarespace, I want you to click the sign up option. And from here, just follow the on-screen instructions and you're good to go. To copy your Squarespace website, there are several methods depending on whether you want to duplicate the entire website or just specific pages, sections, or content. If you want to copy the specific section right here, all I have to do is there's going to be an option here. By clicking on the exit, I'm going to click on save and then go to the pages right here. All right, for example, this one, you have the option to you see this cog icon setting, you have an option to duplicate the page. All right, so basically that's copying the entire page. Or go to the home menu, click the upper right corner, click your account dashboard, and here this is going to be duplicating the entire site via the manual approach. You have the three dots here. You can simply click on the duplicate website. What will happen is you would be forwarded on the small notification. Duplicating this site can take up to a few minutes and you can leave this page during the whole process. All you have to do is click on duplicate and that will lead to the entire creation of a new website but copying the entire content. Now, another option is going to be exporting specific content like blog posts or products and import them into another Squarespace site. For example, this one. But please take note that not all content can be exported, such as galleries or blocks. All I have to do is go here and you have the information of importing content from other platform or click on export. All right. For example, I'm going to be clicking export. Export your blogs and pages to WordPress, or click on import, wherein you have the option to import WordPress, Tumblr, or Blogger. By copying and duplicating your site, you can preserve a backup before making any significant changes in case something goes wrong during the update process. That's it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you again in the next one.